Okay, I'm going to post a little video of the progress in the greenhouse. This is our aquaponic greenhouse. It's about 12 feet by 24 feet. It's attached to our house. And we have 14 grow beds. I have 3 left to fill. I'll try to do that today, or at least this weekend. So for my family members who don't understand this, the water comes from the fish tank in the back there, overflows through a filter, through here, and then down, and overflows into each of the grow beds. And you can see in there, but it slowly fills to the top. Once it fills to the top, it starts overflowing into that 3/4 inch pipe there. And this is called a bell siphon. Once it starts overflowing, it creates a suction, then triggers its own siphons down until it starts sucking air at the bottom, and then the siphon breaks and it refills. It does that 24/7. Down here at the bottom, now let's try to get a picture of it. So it comes out of the bottom and then goes into the sump tank here. And there's pumps in the sump tank that take it back to the top. So these are called uniseals, and you drill an 1.25 inch hole in the bottom. This press fits in, and then you press fit your 3/4 inch pipe through there. You don't need glue or sealant or anything, it self-seals. Then you drill about 100 holes in this, and it goes over there so the rocks don't get in and interfere with the siphon. Anyway, we have some Swiss chard. I transplanted this from a smaller aquaponics garden. Rosemary, that's parsley, some basil. These peppers I grew from seed. I started them first week of January in the smaller greenhouse, and I've transplanted them all into here. So they're coming in pretty good. These are tomato plants that I grew from seed. They're getting the aphids. Somebody said to sprinkle cornmeal on them. That doesn't seem to be working, so I'm going to try some garlic water. It's supposed to help. There's a vine that I grew from seed. It's, I think it's a squash. Somewhere here. Yeah, see one growing. And we have arugula, all from seed. Kale, Swiss chard, okra. The okra goes pretty quick. Peas. We have sweet peas and snap peas, green bush beans here, yellow bush beans. Look at this broccoli plant. Didn't do too good. That was supposed to be ahead, but I just thought I'd let it grow. Looks cool. Never knew what a broccoli plant looked like. This is all romaine in the back here, so everything's doing in pretty good. The fish tank is a 300-gallon IBC tank. I don't know what IBC tank stands for. Intermediate bulk container, maybe. Fish are in there. Bluegill, goldfish, and brim. It's hard to see. This is daytime. So the fish tank overflows into this. It's a 55-gallon drum with a 30-gallon drum inside it. And the 30-gallon drum is empty on the bottom. So it overflows from here, goes through into here, and any floating solids come to the top. All the sinking solids go down to the bottom, and they settle out at the very bottom, and then the clean water comes up the outer part and then overflows into the fish tank, or not the fish tank, but the grow beds. So from the fish tank, radial flow filter to the grow beds. And so I created these valves here for cleaning the solids out of the bottom, but where I could drain the tank down to about 4 inches with this into the sump over there. And then the remaining 4 inches of water, I could just stir it up and drain it out of the spout. But I ended up realizing that this little aquarium rock cleaner works better and you waste less water. So here we have a bunch of peppers, bell peppers, jalapeno peppers, and poblanos, and assorted. These are tomatoes, starting to get their first true leaves. I'll transplant those. And that's it. We have a little sitting area, 2 recliners, a little table, put in some French doors to the living room so we can hang out. Hope you enjoy the